My name is Kai. I'm 10, I've got a wicked spin bowl, and for about 5 seconds, I was the greatest cricket player in the Caribbean.
Keyword was. Mom's slow simmering a curry goat. Think she knows the difference between a balanced spice profile and a drive-through cover-up.
Contra, focus! If it's not perfect, she'll know! And bingo. Luck favors the prepared, Kai.
Kai, Zuri, hand-washed and at the table. It's time to eat.
Responsibility. It's not just for kings or spiders.
It's for anyone who wants a second helping of plantain. Everything okay in the garden?
Yes, Mama. Did you hide the ball?
Don't watch the mouth, watch the hands.
Friends?
Friends, now eat!